Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, 30 mg peanut protein maintenance ups threshold of reactivity over strict avoidance in peanut-allergic children. Mednews, the study examined whether a very low dose, 30 mg, oral immunotherapy for peanut allergy could safely and effectively increase the amount of peanut protein that patients could tolerate. In the study, 51 peanut-allergic children were randomly assigned to 3 groups. 2 received 30 mg or 300 mg peanut protein maintenance doses via oral immunotherapy, while the third group followed strict peanut avoidance. By intention to treat analysis, 13 of 17 patients in the 30 mg group tolerated 443 mg or more of peanut protein, compared to 10 of 17 in the 300 mg group. No patients in the avoidance group could tolerate these amounts. The 30 mg and 300 mg groups showed similar improvements in laboratory parameters like specific IgE and IgG4 levels compared to the avoidance group. The 30 mg group also had fewer systemic adverse events. The authors conclude that the 30 mg maintenance dose can safely and effectively increase the threshold of peanut protein that can be tolerated, likely providing protection against accidental exposure. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak